Evan. This is the first episode of my new series, Food Around the World, where I make food from countries I've traveled to. This series is going to be quite long since I've traveled to a lot of places. And what better way to start this series off with the birthplace of my almost entire family, Belarus. It's Christmas Eve, so I'm gonna make Belarusian cottage cheese cookies that are high on protein. So I'm gonna start this off with half a cup of butter. That's a stick. And I'm gonna mash it down with a fork. Or your hands. Next, we're gonna add a cup of cottage cheese. It's the main ingredient in these cookies, so it's gonna give it its protein, a lot of its flavor. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness that is gonna come into play later. Next, I'm gonna add some baking soda. That is half a teaspoon. Just a bit to make the cookies a bit fluffier. I'm gonna add a cup of flour now. And I'm gonna say a couple fun facts about Belarus. The capital city is Minsk. The national animal is the bison, the European bison specifically. The national flower is the cornflower. My entire family lives there, basically, other than my mom and dad and my brother. And I used to travel there very frequently, but unfortunately the political situation has made it a bit complicated. Once all the ingredients are fully integrated into this clump of dough, I'm gonna pop it into the refrigerator for approximately 20 minutes. Bye-bye. So the interesting feature of this cookie is that you don't put any sugar into the dough itself. You're gonna incorporate the sugar into the layers of the cookie. So for the sugar mix, gonna add some sugar over here into a plate. I'm adding cinnamon because I like cinnamon. Not that much. You don't want it to be more cinnamon than sugar. Mix it up. Now it seems like my dough's ready. I'm gonna rip this in half. Add flour to the table on which you're gonna be rolling out the cookie. Take that, you roll it out. Here's the interesting part, where I'll make the cookies with the E-mug. E is for Evan. Put the cookie in, cover it with sugar, fold it in half to cover the sugary side. Now, dredge it again, and you fold it in half. Then, this is the final time you'll be dredging this individual cookie. So you're gonna dredge it one final time on its side. And you're gonna place its sugary side up on the tray once again. Voila. Now that I've copy and pasted these cookies, I'm gonna put the cookies into the oven. Bye-bye. Now let's take them out of the oven. They've been in here for around 40 minutes at 350. They're golden brown and delicious. If you want, you can add some powdered sugar. Sprinkle a thin layer on top. Powdered sugar never hurt cookies. Now this is the final product. Santa will be very happy. So I'm gonna try the cookies now. Wow, look at this fluffiness. heaven. Oh yeah. Santa will be satisfied. Look at this mess. No.